Hi, Clark Harvey, the BBQ mortgage guy, owner of First Rate Mortgage. Been serving clients for almost 23 years in 5 states, do commercial in all states. And today I want to talk to you about something, current event that just occurred in every conventional loan that's done throughout the country. And it deals with Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac. And so they're seeing all this refinancing going on. And so they chose to institute a 0.5 point cost on every mortgage that's done in the United States for Fannie, Freddie, not VA, FHA, if you're accessing cash out of your home by doing a first mortgage. Now, there's other ways to get around that, but let's talk about what that means to you as a client, as a potential person getting and accessing equity out of their house, which they've worked hard for. They're the ones who make the payments, you guys. But Fannie Freddie seemed to think that they needed more money, and so they instituted a 0.5 point cost on every cash out transaction. So for example, if your loan amount is a $100,000 loan amount, that cost to you in translation is $500. So it's always based on the loan amount. If it's a $200,000 loan amount, it's a $1,000 cost just to get that money, not including all the other costs, origination, appraisal, title, all those things that are just costs to do the loan, underwriting. They decided they want to institute another 0.5 point cost. And typically they give us some time to do that, but it was effective immediately. So there were people that we had conversations with that the terms then changed. We had to go back and have more conversations with them, explain to them what just happened. And so unfortunately, it is what it is. It may go away in the future, may not. They may keep it there. The point is there's a cost to that refinance. So there's other ways to access that equity in your house without doing a first mortgage refinance. And sometimes it doesn't make sense. Sometimes those costs are too much to access that cash. Maybe you can do a home equity line of credit or a fixed second mortgage. Oftentimes those are done at very low cost, and there's no 0.5 point adjustment on that because it's a second mortgage. It's only on the first mortgage accessing cash out that adjustment that Fannie Freddie put in there. So who knows how long it will last, but it's there right now. And so we all get to deal with it. And that's something that Fannie Freddie seemed to think they deemed that they needed more money. In other words, it's another way of taxation, reaching into your pocket, getting your hard-earned equity and taking it from you just to get more cash out. Now, granted, there may be people wanting to access cash out because they're struggling, right? We don't know all the reasons why. Sometimes they want to remodel. Sometimes they're helping a child go through college. Maybe they're helping a parent. Maybe they're, helping a child, buy a house. I mean, there's so many varying reasons as to why, but nonetheless, Fannie Freddie decided to charge that 0.5 point to cost on every loan. So if you have any more questions about that, about the inside scoop, reach out to Clark Harvey, the BBQ mortgage guy, and we're here to answer your questions for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel on resiliencetalk.com radio. Thanks so much and have a blessed day.
You've been listening to Clark Harvey, the BBQ mortgage guy. Clark is a licensed mortgage loan originator, NMLS number 240452, and his company, First Rate Mortgage, NMLS number 1172332. You can get a hold of Clark at area code 801-562-9100 or at his website at www.thebbqmortgageguy.com.